Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In part 1, we got our garlic buttered shrimp prepped and ready. Now, let's finish it off and serve up a dish everyone will love. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Even simple dishes have pitfalls. Here's what to watch for. Rubbery shrimp. Overcooking is the usual culprit. Shrimp cook in 2 to 3 minutes per side. They're done when opaque with a slight C shape. Tight spirals mean they're overdone. Burnt garlic. It turns acrid fast. Add it late, and keep the heat moderate. If it starts browning too quickly, pull the pan off the burner for a few seconds. Blandness. Under-seasoning is common. Salt the shrimp beforehand, and finish with a pinch of flaky salt. A splash of lemon juice or white wine amplifies the flavors. One pro tip. If the butter starts separating, whisk in a teaspoon of cold butter off heat to re-emulsify it. This keeps the sauce velvety. Serving suggestions for garlic buttered shrimp. Great garlic buttered shrimp deserves the right pairings and presentation. The dish is versatile. It can be the star of a casual meal or the centerpiece of an elegant dinner. Here's how to make it work in any setting. Pairing with sides for a complete meal. Garlic buttered shrimp pairs well with dishes that soak up the rich sauce or balance its richness. Starches. Pasta. Toss with linguine or angel hair for a light yet satisfying meal. The noodles catch every bit of garlic butter. Rice. Jasmine or basmati rice absorbs the sauce without overpowering the shrimp. Crusty bread. A warm baguette or focaccia is perfect for mopping up the buttery goodness. Vegetables. Roasted asparagus or zucchini. Their slight char contrasts the shrimp's tenderness. Light salads. A crisp arugula or spinach salad with lemon vinaigrette cuts through the richness. Want something heartier? Add roasted potatoes or a creamy polenta. The key is balancing textures and flavors. Something crisp or fresh alongside the buttery shrimp. Presentation tips to impress. A well-plated dish makes even a simple meal feel special. Here's how to serve garlic buttered shrimp in style. Garnishes. Fresh herbs. Sprinkle chopped parsley, chives, or dill over the top for color and freshness. Lemon wedges. Place them on the side for a bright pop of acidity. A quick squeeze before eating wakes up the dish. Red pepper flakes. A light dusting adds visual heat and a hint of spice. Plating. Use shallow bowls or wide plates. This keeps the shrimp from piling up and lets the sauce spread. Layer for height. Place shrimp over a mound of rice or pasta, then drizzle extra sauce around the edges. Avoid clutter. Keep the plate simple. A few well-placed herbs and a lemon wedge say more than a crowded presentation. For photos or gatherings, serve the shrimp in a warm skillet with toasted bread on the side. It's rustic yet refined. Just like the dish itself. When prepping for guests, cook the shrimp last. They taste best fresh from the pan, with the butter still glossy and the herbs vibrant. Variations and customizations. Garlic buttered shrimp is forgiving. It lets you tweak ingredients and play with flavors without losing its charm. A handful of adjustments can take it from classic to customized, matching your mood or meal plan. Here's how to make it your own. Spicy garlic buttered shrimp. Add heat with cayenne or red pepper flakes. Some like it hot. If that's you, spices can turn this dish into something with a kick. Cayenne pepper. A pinch, start with 1/8 of a teaspoon, brings steady warmth without overpowering the garlic. Stir it into the melted butter before adding shrimp. Red pepper flakes. These add texture and a sharper heat. Toss in 1/4 of a teaspoon while cooking, or sprinkle on top for a visual punch. Chili garlic sauce. For a bolder twist, swirl in 1 to 2 teaspoons of chili garlic paste with the butter. It adds depth alongside the heat. Balance is key. Taste as you go. Spice builds fast, and you can always add more. Serve with a cool side like cucumber salad or yogurt to soften the burn. Herb-infused garlic buttered shrimp. Introduce fresh herbs like thyme or rosemary for depth. Herbs lift the dish beyond basics. They add layers. Earthy, floral, or bright depending on what you choose. Thyme. Sturdy and earthy, it pairs well with garlic. Add 2 to 3 sprigs to the butter as it melts, then remove before serving. Rosemary. Chop it finely, it's potent, and use sparingly. Half a teaspoon infuses the butter with piney warmth. Basil or tarragon. These add sweetness. Tear basil leaves in at the end. Stir tarragon into the butter as it cooks. For a French-inspired version, swap parsley for fines herb, a mix of chives, chervil, parsley, and tarragon. It's subtle but elegant. Cheesy upgrade. Grate parmesan over the shrimp right before serving. It melts into the butter for a salty, umami finish. Want acidity? A splash of white wine deglazes the pan, adding brightness to the sauce. The best part. You can mix and match. Try spicy and herby, or add lemon zest with thyme. It's your dish. Make it taste like you. Garlic buttered shrimp proves that great food doesn't need complexity. The dish is quick, adaptable, and packed with flavor. Whether you're cooking for a weeknight dinner or a special occasion, with quality ingredients and a few simple techniques, you can turn shrimp into something memorable. Try the recipe as written first, then experiment with spices or herbs to make it your own. Share your favorite twists in the comments or tag us when you post your version. Happy cooking! Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.